Okay guys, so today I'm going to be showing you how to set up a Galaxy S23 Ultra. So let's get started. Okay, so first thing you're going to do is power on the device by holding the power button. So you're just going to press and hold and it'll turn on. Just give it a few seconds. And okay. Then you'll be greeted by this welcome menu. So you're going to either choose your language and then, oops, then hit OK. And then you're going to hit start. And then you can read the details of the terms and conditions if you want. And you just hit agree to all if you want to. And then you transfer data. So I'm going to transfer it from my iPhone 14 Pro Max. So I'm going to hit iPhone or iPad. And then to get started, you're going to add a network. Okay, then hit next. Let's see. Okay. Just give it a second. Okay, so you're going to add your Google account, so I'm going to go ahead and do that. Okay. And then copy apps and data. And then just hit allow. And then since I'm doing it from an iPad or iPhone, I'm going to connect the US Type-C to iPhone Lightning cable. So I'm going to go ahead and transfer that, and then I'll be right back. Okay, so the next thing you're going to do is it's going to show this Google Services, and you're going to just hit accept. And then there's the option to do like protect your phone with either face recognition, fingerprints, PIN, password, and pattern. I always do fingerprints and face unlock. And then for patterns, you're going to just go ahead and create a pattern. And then you can register your fingerprint. And just keep placing your fingerprint on it. And make sure to do it in different places, so no matter where you put your phone, it will register. And then Google Assistant. And getting your phone ready. So it says it may take a few minutes, but it really just takes a few seconds. And then you're going to do Samsung account. You can either create one if you don't have one, or you can sign in with a QR code from your previous device, or just sign in with Google. Then hit more, then agree. Then you can either choose if you like the light or the dark theme. I always have light theme. Then it says you're all set, and then you're gonna, if you're new to Galaxy or Samsung, you can hit Explore Your Galaxy. It'll give you like tips on how to use it and just show you how to use it. But in this case, I'm just gonna hit finish. And here is your S23 Ultra. It is all set up and ready to go. And it will need to download like the apps, which is normal. And you can just add your weather widget. Yeah, there we go. And then what you're also going to do if you've had a previous Galaxy device, if you backed up your phone and you're moving to the S23 Ultra, you're going to hit settings. And going to go to accounts and backup. And then restore data. And if you have different devices like A53, Z Fold 4, Galaxy Z Flip 5, Z Flip 4, and my other S23 Ultra, you can just hit the most previous one. And, well, needs to update, okay. Then hit restore data and do the same thing. I think it's downloading though. Okay. And then hit restore. After you select the different types of things that you want, just hit restore. And then if you want, you can install the backed up apps. So I'm going to go ahead and hit install. And this is also going to do my home screen, my apps, settings, calendar, saved on phone, contacts that are also saved on phone, messages, and call logs. So as you can see, it's already did the wallpaper, or it already did the wallpaper. And I'm assuming it'll probably take, I'm not sure how long it'll take, but it will probably take a few minutes. So I'll come back to you when it's finished. Okay, so my phone is completely backed up, or restored from the backup, and it is ready to use, and it looks the exact way that it looked before I did a factory reset on it. And it's a very easy setup just to transfer either from an iPhone. It's even faster to transfer from another Samsung device. So that wraps up my video. I hope you found it helpful, and I will catch you in the next video. See you then.